come away. Na fe miwia. Yanko Ora Daniel ya domelevo and sem no eso. Na se akwansia wodo a esisie. Emududu no na ya eye buses, commercial buses akesie yi. Nketo wo mu de. Enso na nsanya de a esi nipa beye dunsia amono hu a wo mu frim miensa ebeka ho. Se wo hwe me Facebook a video no na da Facebook akwansia esi ye no. National Road Safety Authority etu anamon. One the directives be about betuja. In fact, me share kratanum na ye mako enum enum na anapai bejibrana say ya twetwemu enkomo. Engineer David Osafo Adontain, director in charge of planning, National Road Safety Authority. Meneno ebetwetwe enkomo. Engineer ateme kan me wakwaba.
Mejo so minia.
Me wacha hode.
What the other ma ya hu minim samo mo ho ya pa.
Yegusun kakra engineer. Yegusun kakra pressure na wo. Enso yegusun kakra. Mamini can be say some 5 directives e foforo. Na ni ho dada. Ana afa na mode aba. Nipa nsa ne akom.
Oh minia medical me mabuachi. Na so me say Kunjawo semu chicken ho ense preamble no eno na odi atuja no why ade pa
me da say
yo na yedi nsem atuja nsem bua enu na nyina no ye emra dada ewo ho awo road traffic regulations 2012 LI 2180 just say 2012 na parliament e pass samra yi say amfanye adwuma na ka so no kakra na nukweni nyame ni yentimi fanya adwuma bitine
adentia
yo ni na ne se Ghana ha no wo se ya na ye hyemra yetumi hyemra yemom ansam se wode emra be adwuma ati se ya na wadi ehun kita ho budo no ane amanfo a ati se wom de emra be adwuma we no road transport operators na esete ye hemo be adwuma no mo ye ehyiamu bia no a ya na mo mi antutu ne ma ye mo mi anfa bibi tisi ye na afoda bi okra no a na eya kunse elections mo a na wo mo de huna bi o sasabia mo de ba chobe ye mpini o ye nti ase o na enyama bi sa no atwemo asan bebrele na ye ga dunia sa nyama ni na no ya trawa ye nhwe han bido edu samre so Safety authority, any authority, any commission. Until yakoye sabi kama bi owo simu ntuminka. Abaya daruma. Omaye authority status year 2019 and ya siki nyema aye hihia atwedie. Yesi yesemu ahia nu no. Ya ma ahia nu sa akwa. Ye de beka. Ani ya sha ati ya pedi ahu.
Okay, engineer since 2019, Amobedane authority the ben fie be ye mienu miensam ne awi montimi fa san hihye enya adwuma engineer
no correct yintimi fa enya adwuma na eno ye pass act no 2019 na forget say ye manyafo na afen ye mpan tutu ne ma ye mpan hihye ne ma yi efa bibia no tutu yi ansa na ya ma ye hune so na ye pense ye airline ye ma ye mreka ye airline pa title na airline no ya wie akase parliament be pass nenso yem pass airline no kra no emra no ema ye ho fan ma enyema bi wo be yetumi edikan edi adwuma eno ti da ye pese ye di adwuma minia
oye enti afa yemra anamonto enum a mode ba betudwai ne edikan all target operators are required to assign 2 drivers to all trips that are in excess of 8 hours or 500 kilometers and to submit a journey plan for all such routes. Now, when we say a chassis 1st April 2021, boyemu.
Yo, minia, I say one ne di kan watch this in pepe. Na no ye here akonti asisia. Abidi akonti asisia. Ya no ye yan hwehwemu. Ebi an hwehwemu do na ya ye mpantu jade. Na nti ya ye ni ya, ni ti a ekofa ba. Ebi be se mfie be ye 2010. Akonti si ya ku ni pa do no no yetumi aye nhihye na ze hwehwemu deeply aye ni ye kofa ba ye ebi ye ya na and driver what is here yeah na wabre the friend of fatigue bi no ekofa wrongful overtaking bi ni mpuni akwa ehia bi ba yeah na nipa do no efu wo mu kwa na obre dia ade ba ko ya si no wo hwa ye de eku sa obre oteti eji no and that is we are no and say driver for me no na ni na ya puntenten long journey sa ebia emrano ma ho kwan say anka wo tuka no adu baabi na say no na ya no wagina no pa baabi a me kakra no ato aso no ye nye sa dumadie afenso kura no free watch driver ni wapon enkochika bi na koda na de achi a wasa to aso ye mfa ye djuma na say no free nine no free watch ye ma emrano ma ho kwan dia a long distance ye be 500 kilometers and above and no na can say wo free ha wo kodo na ye fi mu na nkure enti aye say de ye ma up to first Opel Aircom. You see driver media now operator GPRT, Pro Tour, VIP, SCC, Metro Mass, Imperial, Obia will transport public transport service biano. You see driver from Yemi, Baku the Beko, Ako sequence baby. On West, now Baku no for the Atuaso. I am ra and one ra 2012. Yet the Bayajman, Milia.
Sir, drivers in the Nukra engineer, Nasa Aquasia Bessia, Ebesi, and can drivers for no one mubako, near friendly defensive driving. One name into the Tosumi, defensive driving also. Maka Wasem, sir, as I said, target operators, no one must have drivers, one more defensive driving in accordance with standards approved by the authority and DVLA. Nedika engineer, Boying, defensive driving,
no correct. What we say, Dana Hano, who per se a professional here, not as a school. Let's say we get a body tracker, here do to sell the training, winning idea, winning it. Jumana will call you or what can be a answer. Now, and no, and not lady kind party, and the driving school overcome. Okay, what would DVLA, no more driver's license, valid driver's license, and the friend movies. Now, no, they are shot here. Yeah, more like B, more like C. I say now we commercial. Now, baby, I give me and more. I target you on weekend. And the area, almost your academic environment could be a school one. Investing one, come here, professor's school. And the per se, you have very sure said, Obia, what is our level now with TSTH? And you could license you, license, therefore, you know, we are commercial driver here. Continue to yes from home. And to the other is that we transfer the place and make sure. The driver, you know, what you know, what this action is, and another people know. Driver, you know, when you're yes from Kubi, something you say, I quite young, some business. Yeah, no, driver, what we do, what more you see, what more do you know? The brain, no, it's not make to say, no. Sir, woman, you see what you know. I just say, the amount near this young, I'll coach you, I know. Not a toasting. It's a picture. Obianco school, Obianco school, BB, and son, would you certificate of the J or license? No, now yet to me, I'm out why you do again now. The responsibility on the public and the transport operators, those who are providing the services. If you're not in show,
Engineer Buameka Crow, transport operators and our companies are all Ghana. Niamime do one dance here, sir, one more. Simulators one more day a child driving near the SCC and Kayano Wamobi. Ministry of Transport, National Road Safety Authority, and the DBLA. The Cambo, I school be and I am from the college, Vidyama drivers, you're from the National Drivers Academy. National Drivers Academy, no? Your institution back where from the Government Technical Training Center, what can you Metro Mass and a portion. I can't need to walk a crowd. Who come what? Who was the simulators? The prayer system. I can't say any transfer the printers drivers. Now, you check the one. NTA will be a simulator a year for a cargo truck, a bus, a car. No, now, you can't that's one being transfer the printers. It's a part of everything, you know. Ministry of Transport, and so will be our government technical training center. I just want to call. Two sets. Engineer Maka Swamomba, Asuche Bianiho. anti o manam kwan so ekum ade hye engineer
yo menua asotwe no na medical kase eja transport service no na regulator ni ho na new ni ho afa de abanda roma National Road Safety Authority or the say ensa say yen regulator it regulator no o kase they say regulator no hye no de abayi as they say yes say yama san hye one koya a free June and now 1st July economy ye behwe na wunim da no so a enema minta na ebetuma ye
okay me ba ye bedru ma yen wie anamo enum no ye wie a na fe yakọ nia woman ba yasode no asotwe amode be ma wo mo ne atoso miensa mo say vehicle logbook enu ya de ye den na engineer
no menia oja me try ya me World National Road Safety Authority the director we me car me kuta banka no na ma me logbook yesi ba bia me tu akubia me ntro abra me key office abra me call baby me ko do ye ame ba bi nso a me ba na me bedu a me ntro time me dey buy and so on ya hu say bebre no ya na ya kan so no a driver for me two free cry ukokuma si okotamale a onhome and once okosa na obrani en na awia na kunjia ba ya say ahomie ahia esi epepan bi so ne de hwe wo musu ni wo ban a wo de nam ka pan so and na ide abefo ne ma ba ye de ye tu anamom ti be use electronic na ye de e satellite systems bi anase tracking system bi ahwe wo musu ban no na enya ma ye no ye use manual no ni say wo koto logbook eno e wo assembly press ye design the fefe enti ucha ubetu every new plan station a what shop be dia utu afri what shop driver no udin na afanto na utu na wo ko time a udi free nkran ediko Kumasi udu ba bi e plan Linda door na ta office ojina wagina no wa chiro wo ho se mi gina Linda door mi di 10 minutes 15 minutes wo ho mi tu sam re wi mi kodu Kumasi sam re wi ni na no station master no be sign e wo nkran na wo kodu ho nso a wa sign police bia to me slow bia to me logbook no example which na e o bu me hey enti ofu Kumasi ana ofu nkran anopa yemfa 10 AM no ena 12 for be Kumasi ena je utu wo pa no so ebo so ye ni mo bika na ze ni se free akọ Kumasi de e dia better 4 hours and 5 hours enti e betimi ahu atmi e de ya dua se wo mi ka do so ba wo yi no pa no so na no ti ama emra ani wo di
right okay just and also so shall say 1st April
mini pepe
shall say 1st April
yes sir.
Okay. I think much as a target operators, no, one more appointed road safety officers. What my Jumani saying?
Road safety officers. Yes, say who transport operators via ra. A Jumana at the same diaba. Peobi or on the mid daho, Najumu daho, the near fee. Now, Farmula, the training, the train road safety officer. Or no, and original National Road Safety Authority and transport operator, no, yentam. And who to have moving the any attendant the the Bema one regional station home, and one who said loading the friend be a pre departure checks. Or better said, no answer free station home, Janinasu, the ties, driver or no Musa, Mimisonia crack a beat, be a only Janinas or Yari, Bianian, Wahome, or Timia Dama, Wahumi Yipa. I feel so young as the car knows who Janinaswa. Driver na ya ma passenger watu esikwan so wako sa pre departure check we go and also you find baby ano yeah so ama passengers any confident I will transport operators no NTSA no to be ankope road safety officer won train and as all the ba yes the training amount on obey road safety dey obey kita ho dey bia the person transport operator am o lorry station ho e ko VIP a e bi wo ho ko STC a e bi wo ho e na wo ko e bi metro mass kura ma wo mo so e bi aye pilot aye hu say obi aye bia metuna abo aye pa
engineer Samia me apaw road safety officer na me de ne be kire mo a the tendency say obe compromise say assembly is very high. Adding to the more national road safety, one fan for namun training woman, namun teacher woman transport operators. Engineer.
No, meaning so far, over GPR to the woman stations before plan. One more 2,000 stations. Uko VIP. Now uko transport all the other transport operators. Ye kambo more. I believe they have beyond 3 to 4,000 transport lorry terminals. Then no, the minister the bet me ama you to me. Yet we have nipa be 4,000 and 5,000. Now yet travel every month. At the moment, you 201. You know 250 impo. Now until I say yeah supervision. Young cohort de bia. Also ya employing proper yet training from road safety inspectors. The road safety inspectors, they are two of all the 16 regions. One more and a better station home, I call supervisor from supervision. I don't want to ampa ubia area. But it is very important for the transport operators to own it. They have to own it. Once you own it, the airline industry, airline here, and some you buy from. So yeah, Eric, and I say yeah, we our. No, not then. You have no procedures. You have no standards. Until you need the road safety officer from your own end. But who will supervise them? It's supervision, no. And now, if we get into the extent that compromise now, we can into massive.
And also, shall say 1st April.
Yes, sir.
I see.
Okay. And to your friend, I've grown from. They say no. I've grown from any economy.
I see. Near Tosunuma Chato, Nia mo say one more M60 retro reflective tapes approved by DVLA. One more vehicles in accordance with regulation 80 of LI 2180. Boy, engineer.
One who said National Road Safety Authority, you two me actually and she said no can actually be a walk home. And no dear, the plane, many transport operators made this. For a very long time, we was a bus is not the green, yellow safety to carry home. Young and this are a buy a video transaction and so say, now, young man, so light any soon, a do an adua, young what you do. And to them highway, no sooner care because say to anymore, do I want to boom, then you cannot do no prepare and into one of the solutions are open yasia manena you do and say so unya traffic street light and a road light needs to do on one day we no I know what to light say a DVA ya approve one day what is to the car one ya no do na do na I so to send can here enti na nkwan so na car this go that's the say answer plan obi to be if you achieve ya ni am do no ayidi da nye wo mu na enti wo ma wo mu ye no ye say no so Omunye na yafi eminere ansa na ya mo kwan ma mu de kan no ayi esi kwan so afufani ba ye adwuma enti eno so na de no
okay eno so shase free April busum ne de di kan
epu ya
okay ansa na beba asotwe a wo mo bebu saa hihye yi so mo de bema wo mo no engineer yakwan e ewo wo man akwan mi hunu afese na yenka ne bio na nsa ya kwanhie si wa asafo yi say ade ya wo dual carriage and come gidi say san kwanhia no bi no nyade aye bi hu no as an authority and mo be na mutu afa yakwan hu efiri nkran kokumase efiri nkran kotakrade you need dual carriage road wo emu ba bia engineer
no correct who be here National Road Safety Authority if last year you pija ye mu ye do campaign be a friend arrive alive road safety campaign ye say ye be ye lecture yebebo de road safety system so ye nua no modaro multimedia ani wo mu aken na kai chi a you so na under the arrival campaign ne yesi yen kasa huna sa akwa ye kasa a chair driver for and that's all mo nam ka kwan so pedestrians passengers any motorcycles na dey na ye sign A2 ye nua no a abai ama wo mtumi ama wo musika se mo twema ye lawyer kwan so enimu DVLA, Ghana Police Service, MTTD, and the ambulance service now they now want to play a role in the road safety space, you know. Yeah, Kasatu, yes, we have so much women so. Now, we be unpaid in Juma. Now, Kabua, Sabi, and I'm driver from one woman, yeah, 9 years. And so, ya Kasabu to the sense, say, that the dualization of our major highways, I can't. I'm an okay. The Ministry of Roads and Highways, Ghana Highway Authority, Egusu Dinde Edin Pita Juan, Ya Papa, Minister of Transport Roads and Highways, sorry, William. What's saying about a block of vetting? Said dualization is a must. Under the year of roads, no. Obepejan name why apart from this year. What's saying about? What the kind of country is there? Tema flower there. You sign contract to contractor every bishop of year. And you say you have a free Lubo aircraft flower and one. If you are, now you have a son said a free Kumakra, every Kumazi Kotamalin. So, see a time. And me, no, Yantina, Yane operators, you have a TNS also. You require the first one. You can hold the person can say, I'm a fee to my shots here. Not dualization. No, yet to me, who's a buying thinking. Oh, yeah, I do my now.
Virginia, who hear me, Paul? Where now, no castle.
David,
sir, I quite not 70 days. Hami papa, yes, be a yedi, I know, I can huna. We need to see action. I see a hunubi. As I say, yeah, and two crime crown, who call my man before. No courage. Me and some ha, and I call and I ba. Oh, say, to be to Sana Monoa, Sakwen Shahu, and Nadia Buhunu. Papa, the new Biansi more. The authority made their money. I feel yet to promote. Yet to from no. Your better see your man from Mopra, but yes, I think I see a can, and then your person piano. I see it to me. Into my dama, media promoter achievement. That is the one you before. Engineer don't tell Fayambra, associate so. Sir, near Mamma Bosso, we are transport operator. Now, one fine Dijuma, associate bank, and a road safety authority. Madame Safon. Ye decline. Yes, you have a boko. Sanem Radically. Now, Cocono, Begina at the associate, and that's how the point we are, you answer, and I yan you. Every any about Cocono, watching. Every any about Cocono, watching, every abosumi, and I'm Poca Busumisia. The Begina, dear Putin, no one, it's not what the Pessia Boko. Not just here, Boko say, a dear Pesso ye except the young fan say, silencing where ye are to Jay. Fine, ya, near Boko. Say a mouth. Now, why then you do on air suspension? Just say, for you, man, yeah, my own money. And as a VIP, say, my GPR to you, as a metal master, a bioman to me, say, you bet me about natural to say, no, who near you until say, obey your person, yeah. Who call aviation industry now? Oh, and also your person, yeah, do. I say, we are as one thing now, society, and you be fine. And as you know, court. Now, court, I shall get him 1 year, could be 1 year crime, a beer, a 60 million Ghana city. I know they are not going to Accra. I name 5,000, 240,000 Ghana cities. Engineer Bato Sicano, Yanchlemuye, 50 million and 5,000 Ghana cities. And I'm about. Oh, that 5,000 near penalty unit. 5,000 near penalty unit. And a 20,000 penalty unit. Okay. So penalty unit, no, Bibia, Okokota, Yana punishment, and as a penalty, yeah, de eto Bibiso, say, Yama, reputed to Luwen, you know, and a bit of away. Says the can to media, yeah, you to me, you to me the quiet at the end. It's a say, and we are now 1 year. If we, no, 5,000 a penalty unit. Now, one penalty unit, a 12 Ghana cities. And to multiply, imagine 60,000 or about 240,000. A whole and Rano and my okay. But also, some of me, I should no. Minia, and one and I think so, Maca court. Now, you see, and yeah, you need just near pet the drew hall. I near man getting. And ya do more. Say, yes, if I yellow to copper or car, now says Mondin to me yet, in Canuna could be court. I'm a yapa do 240,000 Ghana cities. And I'm Poplano, Ebia, a law court, no, at what to a fiastic. I know she bet me a bamu. Oh, and see, if you more, and transfer the place that you know. Yaman can win now, Mummy and Yenina. Sans the yellow tape, what the Copau car, moi. And next time it will be 100 cities. And I say, I compare the 200 cities. Would the pre-departure checks, no safety officer. Nipa Bakua, who training, no general station,
na wahwɛ sɛ passenger ko ni ba di partner wahwɛ sɛ driver no nso gyane nan so car no nso gyane nan so anka wakɔ no ɛno nso ne de no ɛne deɛ na wakɔtua sika twitwi die anaasɛ bi a yɛsi ko train wa driver for na pɛ driver trainer bi na on train yom na on ma certificate na yɛ road safety for ne DVL yɛ mɛhwɛ sɛ ampa wayɛ ne we no yɛsɛ yɛ nuanom transport operators mo ma nyɛ tuna ntwe bia sante court me deɛ ekoduru hɔ a ɛyɛ asɛm foforɔ koraa a dwumadie no yɛbɛtumi kɔ agye atu nsɛm a wontumi yɛ dwumadie ne gidi sɛ yɛatwɛn wɔn bɛtie na so pɔn sante akyɛ pre 2012 minia enti ebɛnya nso wɔtwe koraa mu nkwa deɛ wɔ mu enti yɛatena hɔ ayɛ nhwɛhan ma nipa na wu a sɛ deɛ yɛmpɛ sɛ yɛkɔ yɛnim ne saa suban no bio
engineer me wɔ ha baako nso cars a ɛyɛ ɛsɛn si kwan so cars si kwan so a ebi 2 days ebi na awotwe na car ne si kwan no so anadwo ewia anapa na car ne si hɔ Ghana yɛ ni towing system bia na menim as an authority me amo ya form because ɛno so dia akwanhyia no ba papa engineer
minia yɛ ka so hu asɛm bia ya na what time here o kakra sanse eno na maybe atwa mu National Road Safety Authority abikwa no ne yɛ commission ye pagya ye mu se de ye fa sa dwumadie no edin pa nanso ye de eni bo aproko wiase mu na ye hu se aman bi ahyase ye no kwan bi so a eno no ka bi si ba ye se ye fa bi towing levy entige na ye tuetu bi sika kakra biti bi e wo DBL ya ya ka bo foto bi ye de ama company bi a ne ho odin ọwọ saa dwumadi no ho nimdeɛ na yɛ a wɔbɛyi afiri hɔ ama yɛn ɛne yɛ keka ya Fofia Ntoata anko yɛ yie enipa Ghana fo de chobo yɛ nyi ntumo ne anya ntom problem no so yɛ twe mu tan ɛwɔ hɔ mene wo kasa yi cars no bebree trucks bebree asese si kwan so na principal bo ho mɔden akosi mmere something a ya na wɔn ntumi nya saa kadeɛ no ntino yɛnte nae yasan apagya yɛ mu yɛne Minister of Transport di hu kita ho any stakeholders bi enche biara yɛde adwumadie no ɛho foforo bi bɛsan apagya ne mu ma yɛde aba ne ɔmanfo abɛdi ho nkɔmɔ ebia baako no a yɛyɛ no ana sɛ bi a nipa nyantom bisan so want years yɛ a yɛde foforo bi ba a ɛno nso nam kwan bi so ma yɛbɛtumi ayi saa track yɛ sisi kwan so na fifiri kwan no so ɛne nneɛma bi ɛka ho sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a ɛbɛyi saa akwanhyia sɛm enche biara no ɛno nso yɛapagya yɛ mu yɛ bɛyi wobɛte yɛ nka a yɛ dwumadie no yɛde bɛto dwa
ne ha me koraa ne sɛ nnipa kora no ɔgya kaa no asi kwan no so no asotwe deɛ ne hɔ a yɛde ma no ɔno a na koma tɔ neɛ mu a na wabɛsiesie ne kae na afei obi ambisa no hwee
nhyehyɛ a ɛba no sɛ nyinaa no wɔ mmerɛ m na mmara no a yɛsesa mu de aba no project no yɛde ba no kyerɛ sɛ ɛno deɛ womfa wohu ni saa akwa wo ɛno deɛ yɛn ayɛ de yɛtumi ɛbɛba abɛma kaa no so anaa track no so akɔsi baabi na sanse ehia nti wo ba begye na wo ba na wo begye a emre wo ho bia no ye ne wo beka wa no eka ebeda ho a ye de be to so no ebeka ebe ho no nya me eso asem eti megiri se eno so eba ye ne mo media ebe share ana ebedi ho nkuta ho pipa ansa na ye de aba afiya no mo beti enka biem e wo towing project no ho afiya menua
engineer me no guso atwetwe nkomo ya opening ba ko a oye me fan me number 1 listener otie me papa na ose CJ nkomo a won engineer atwetwe no me wo ho kakraka ento adaroma wabeka me nsa wa homa no so mma na kwa aba na afei ye ne no embom ntwetwe sa nkomo yi na na tachi labi a wodi kan wa homa no so na akwa aba
ya eja CJ
nana
maya de pa asama mo kan eya se hia kese ema Ghana for akwantufa yewo Accra Kumasi kwan yi so na me de me kan se sprinter buses na wo mo eflotu ewo Accra Kumasi kwan no so ye probably be say desperate driving wo mo ye very desperate na wo mo ye overtaking unnecessarily me see 2 days ago around Suhum Bayer 637 driver ye ni say me ba or you overtaking so men see from anka ye crash here when you the first time and the match say stop floating sprinter buses no just stop all they should stop them na yen share na sanity emra kwan no so one cause accident na ono be cause accident no afa ho adwane one hard collector drivers one have private cars send the boy amanfo enka desperate driving sprinter buses Accra Kumasi floating drivers just stop all me that
na me da say engineer
me na na da de mo no tequila bi a odi kan ni jaso wa hene e wala takuba se
yo na me da say nana engineer ochami ani masem ka
Martina papa na ya dawa when say edumade no asuntu no ye no katan say no ya TSC high occupancy passenger buses no ye beba wo mu aka no so na wo mu de no ye ba no say Ghana ha no ye ntum onye obi a opeso ye commercial passenger transport service here say ojoin union bi ana wo ye company bi ana say your organization and no waiting to no it will be a thing of the past very soon if you were one more so she says no kukura wo ho ye ni omo ebudi kita ho pa na say asafo akwanchi ye yasa atuma asafo de eti na o twetwe mu a nipa be say dunu ewi ye gina ho a ye di ye ni tutu na ye hwe ni ye be ye ani ye nua na prosecwo and na spring day ba ku free hifri bia say ye gina ho kra no one pobu ma ye speed bi o de sin be twa ye ho ye nua na prosecwo edi na chi ko say ko che no ba ye no young boy bi on kra just driver's license kwa un kuta bi ye jeje ho ye ge wa be no kawia be si na ye hu na so ka bi da so ba police ko nsem
na passengers wa ka nim engineer
na pa fe na no so ni pa no ko so fe no so sakwa we nya kakra wo o mo aka nti dumade no so enti ye be wura ye nuanom so wo hwe ye dumade nka na nti ye di hu nkomo se ebe ye kra no a nka kwanto ye tu na nadwo no eye sa ba sakese ni 207 na sprinter ko ye de ni ko ho sanse den suhwe mu no akwanhia no bebre no si anajo ahomache efi 8 anajo no kwa akosi bia 4 am 8 pm to 4 am enti ye hwe na enye nwa senche bia National Road Safety Authority ya pede emu na ye bitina kasa anajo lantie no certain specific vehicles bia ye ye ema kwa mu tupa anajo eti menia mejiri se niema eba
I come with engineer me that's pa unya bre so ayabra na fe entrance studio na yentimi nya bre enough na yentimi entwetwe enkomo because e kwan so ko sex odwumade no ye nyina ya ka ho ye nyina ya so die engineer
ye da mo beba
me that's pa engineer David Osafo Donten director in charge of planning National Road Safety Authority and meneno etwetwe enkomo no. Well, a couple of your comments on Facebook ma menkenkan Facebook comments no ebi na afi yenko yenim. Okay, we say CJ careless driving kills not dual roads. Check with Temamoto Way. The number of accidents per month owusu e champon dia or de ebre Facebook no eno no